Welcome friends, welcome to my channel. In this series where we are learning about HTML, that is for beginners. Now in this video we will be learning about the structure of a web page. Whenever we will be designing a web page, we will be using a HTML file for it. So what is the basic structure for it? Now what we mean by structure? Like in a human body, we have a brain, then we have a body and internal organs. In the similar way, every page will be having a structure. It will be having a basic structure which will be enclosed in some tags. Okay, so let's go to the VS Code and let's see what a structure of a web page looks like. Okay, now we have come on our VS Code where we are going to learn about this HTML, all these things. So we have created a folder here, then we have created a page called structure.html. In VS Code, we can get a boiler code with the help of, we will be just putting shift 1, that is this one. So this will be giving us a basic structure of the HTML. What is the basic structure of this HTML? We will be understanding about it. So like first thing that we have to write is doc type is HTML. This is to identify what type of document we are using. So here we are using HTML document. So this is document HTML to identify this thing. Another line will be HTML lang. The lang is called language. Right now EN is the short form of English. So similarly we can have another languages. We can have Spanish, English, Hindi, all these things we can have. Then we have a head tag, that is this is called a opening tag and this is called a closing tag. Everything we are going to write in HTML will be inside some tags. Now what are the tags? Basically tags are basic identification mechanism for this HTML to give some information like head. This information will not be visible to the user. Basically this is a basic things about this page, like meta character set, what the character sets we are using, like here it is UTF-8. Then meta name can be there, content, that is width of the device, initial scales. Then this is the title of the document. Now what is the title is the heading of the page. Like if I go to some page, like here I am going to the Wikipedia. Okay, so what is writing it here, like this is written HTML Wikipedia, so this is called the title. Okay, so this is the title of the document. Then we head is this is the closing tag for this that head element. Then we have a body, then we have a closing HTML tag. Every tag that will be opened will be closed. Either that will be a opening tag and closing tag, like this head, and this is closing head. Close, how this closing will be defined with the help of this backslash. Or we can have sometimes self-closing tags also, that we will be talking about later on in these videos. So this is the basic structure of the HTML page. Now whenever we will be writing something, we will be writing it inside the code. If I write it like first let's see how it looks like on the browser. So this is the preview tab. So this is the page right now that we are showing, like this is the heading of the document. I just told you about the title, so let's read the title of the document. So you can see the title is changed, but right now nothing is being shown here. Why it's this blank? Because we have not written anything on the body tag. If I write anything outside this, like this is a HTML document, you can see it is directly been shown here. But this is not the correct thing, because we cannot edit it, we cannot format it. We have to write whatever we have to write, we have to write within body. Like this is a HTML introduction. Now we have written it inside body, everything we will be writing, most of this will be in the body tag only. Body, in the body tag will be writing. So this is the basic introduction about this HTML document. In the next video, we'll be seeing something about tags. What are these tags and what different tags are there? Anatomy of HTML elements we will be seeing. So, till then, goodbye.